quick video today because we don't have very much time. I want to talk about this big noise that sometimes happens in this Hyundai Kona. It's something that a number of you have noticed and are struggling with. It is this weird noise coming from the front, which is when typically you brake. And it has to do either with the suspension or the brakes or something like that. It's very hard to reproduce. I did a short in the past to describe the problem. I'm gonna put it back here because it's very hard to reproduce at this point in time. It might have to do with the fact that when you've got an EV and it uses a lot of regen, then the brakes, the actual physical brakes, are not used very much, meaning there is a bit of rust adding up on top of the brakes. So one of the things that I've seen in the comments is how about we press auto hold for a while, and now that's gonna say brake disc cleaning on, and we're gonna take a look after going around the block as to whether this kind of rust particles or the kind of discs not being super clean are going to be gone, because at the moment I can't really reproduce the problem. Okay, so we're driving a bit here, and like I said, we've got the auto hold, which is in disc cleaning mode. Now the alternative to do this, I think, would be to find some slope and put the car in neutral and then use the brakes, because in that case you can't be using the regen to brake to slow down the car, right? So let's take a look at what either of those two options do. We're going down. I'm gonna gain a bit of speed now. I've got no regen. Got the speed limiter. And I've got no one behind, and I'm gonna brake nicely. Let's go. Right, so that was a good braking there. But of course, let me know in the comments whether you've tried something like that, whether you've experienced the problem, whether that is the solution, whether that has nothing to do with what I'm describing here. Completely possible, by the way. And whether that has to do with something else. We've taken the car to the garage before, but they didn't do much with it. I'm really surprised that there are quite a few people who seem to have the problem, but Hyundai wouldn't know what this is about. I'm a bit surprised with that. Anyway, let's take a look at the videos, and with that, it will be it for today. Okay, so first, that's the before. You can see that there are a few things going on here. It's not massive at all, by the way, but there is a little bit of rust. There is that kind of slightly red color on some of the brakes, and you can see that at the front. And again, let's remember that at this point in time, my car is not making the noise. Now we're after the disc cleaning, and you can see it was a very quick ride around the block, so 5 minutes, 10 minutes, no more. And we tried both techniques, right? Now we are looking at the front brakes only, because these seem to have been those that were the least clean and those that had the red marks. And you can see this one, for instance, look really nice. That's the one that was a bit red before. So I think it has done something in terms of the cleaning up. Does it make a difference for the noise? Well, that's where the jury is still out. Let me know in the comments. And for now, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you soon. Bye bye.